guys! Welcome to our vlog! So for today's video ay kakain kami. Ang weird, diba? So, ang daming pa akong hugasin. Daming kahalat ng bahay. Linisin. So, what is this? It's very important. Put in your bag.
It's very important.
Okay, put in your bag, my love.
It's for daddy work.
For daddy's work? It's not for daddy's work.
Yeah, but daddy need to get it in his work. It's in my school. But the teacher said, your daddies need to put it in your work.
For daddy's need to put in your work. It's not like that. It's children. Children admissions ticket is for you.
Ma,
Kaya mo na ako.
Ma, you know what's my best?
What's your best?
My one. You know what's my best? The animals.
What is that then?
These,
What is that name?
these, and these.
What is that name?
I like two of those.
Tell me what is that name?
That is red panda,
Red Panda?
and that is lion.
Okay. Kaya mo na
The
tayo.
teacher say that is the lion. The teacher say that. I don't like that. I try it.
It's fine. Yeah, I remember this. Hindi siya masarap. Maglalagay ako sa oven ng kakainin namin. Sobrang kalat ng bahay namin at marami akong hugasin. So, ano kaya magandang dami akong kalat. Hayaan mo na, guys. Bahay talaga. Pag bahay, sobrang kalat. So, pwede ba ito ilagay sa yes, sa oven. Pero, I mean, in the microwave. Cut in full power, 9 minutes. Full power is 9 minutes only. So, I think guys, kasi matagal. So, kasi nagugutom na ako. Then, I think what I need to do is, ilalagay ko siya sa air fryer. Ano pwede siya sa air fryer? It's a oven. So, I think air fryer ko siya iluluto. Air fryer. Ayan. Lagyan natin dito yung cam. Ayan. So, air fryer na. Hindi kasi ako marunong gumamit ng oven. No. Sa microwave. Hindi kasi ako marunong gumamit niyan. So, try ko sa air fryer. Air fryer na lang siya. No. Dami pa akong gasan, guys. Hindi pa ito masusunog. Matagal kasi pag nasa ko. Try natin. Baba or tanggalin natin yung ito. I think like that. Tatakot ako. Baka paano. Baka masunog ba? Natatakot ako. Pero parang same lang naman. Ibaba natin. Tanggalin natin. Try natin, try. Ayun na guys. Ayun na. Sana ay okay lang siya at maluto siya. No? So, dami yung kalat ng bahay. Alright. What are you doing? Ayun, kinakain ko yung fry. Hindi siya masarap. Okay guys, see you, bye. Bye.